We're out here metal detecting this afternoon, and I've already found a couple of different things. So y'all stay tuned and see what I find out here in my yard. It's my front yard. I got 11 acres in the Statesville area. So here's all the ground that I've not quite covered yet. So I'm going to continue to keep metal detecting and see what I can find out here. So I'm gonna hand the phone over to my wife so she can do the recording and then flip the camera around. Okay, let's see here. Where do you flip?
Flip camera.
Flip camera, there we go. Let's see what else I found. You don't have to walk over this, I think I'm close to where I was.
And before you start digging, when you find something, let me look at the metal detector so I can see what you see.
Right here, look at it now. It says 6 to 8 inches.
Where?
6 to 8 inches right there.
Uh-huh.
I've got the sensitivity turned up because it's pretty deep. And it's showing like a 5-cent Z-cap. So it might just be a little piece of tin like we just found. So, but I'm gonna do it on all metal track here. And then I can pinpoint it. When I hit all metal track, see I can pinpoint.
Yeah, it's jumping. I can see it jumping.
The louder it gets, tells me where the center is. So the center is right here is where I can find it right here. I'm gonna dig out a plug. Okay. So ground's pretty hard. We haven't had much rain lately. Pinpointer. See, it vibrates whenever it's just vibrating now.
Yeah, I can hear it vibrating.
Yeah. So it looks like another bullet. There it is, a bullet. That's what I found, a couple already here. I found a musket ball actually. So all right, there's another find. Cover this hole back up and get started back.
Was that 6 to 8 inches deep? Or is there more down there?
It was about, no, it wasn't 6 to 8, it was about 4 inches.
So there's nothing else deeper?
Well, I'm gonna check and see.
Nope, that's it.
Okay, there's one that I found last week. Maybe I just need to continue on this way. So that was that's where I found the hoe, I believe. The old grubbing hoe, which is, apparently it's a hoe that was used to dig for cotton. So if you want to see more of my metal detecting videos, go to my YouTube channel, Hamm. I have found a lot of stuff in this area, but now it's not looking too promising, but keep going over this way. Alright, so I've hit on something 6 inches, and it looks like it says 1 cent, 10 cents. Actually, there could be a couple things around here. Okay, so I'm going to go all metal track. I'm going to mark it. So it might be something that's oddly shaped. We'll see. Just a little piece of metal here. All right, so that's the one thing. Not sure what it is, but that's that. Now let's see what I got over here. So I got another piece over here. Okay, I had a hit. Oh, I tossed it. Oh, another bullet. There it is.
Yep, same kind as before.
Yep. There you go. Alright, got something else here. It says 6 inches and it's showing like a 1 cent or a Z cap or a... Right there. Let's see what else we got here. Okay.
I can hear it crunching.
Yeah. Let's see what.
That doesn't look 4 inches.
No. But with as many bullets that I've been finding. For some reason. All right, ready.
It's still in the ground.
Oh. It's a bullet casing.
Another bullet.
Well, that's just a casing.
Yeah. This one actually has writing on it.
A 9mm. That looks like a 9mm.
I can't read it.
Okay. So I got my knife right there. Okay. That's a tiny little feller there.
Is there anything else in the hole, or is it just that?
I'll check it again. To give you a perspective on okay. Showing it deeper.
Let's see how much you're sweating. Look.
Yeah. It's daggum hot out here. Humidity.
I see a rock right there.
That's a rock. This is a metal detector, not a rock detector.
Well, I wasn't implying that, dear.
Mm-hmm.
Just saying I saw something. But you can see the sides have rock in it.
Mm-hmm. It's fact. Dig a little deeper.
Mm-hmm. Keep digging.
Keep going. Oh. Okay, you want to see it so down in the hole here?
That's because I touched it with this.
Yeah.
Sorry, I need to put my other hand away. Battery's done?
I think so. My goodness. Deeper. Well, here's what I ended up finding. It was about 8 to 10 inches deep. The video cut off, so sorry about that. That's it. It looks like an old piece of a plow. That's why it was so deep. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.